Yeah. Julie, you should learn some sea shanties. It's a fun time.
I love that they call them shanties.
Yeah, I don't know what that's about. I should probably look at the etymology of that.
Was it Lorelei going I go?
Oh yeah, there's that one you were singing. That Irish one?
Yeah.
The Rocky Road to Dublin.
Yeah.
Well, there's that.
I wouldn't call it a sea shanty, but it's an awesome song.
Well, there's the Lorelei one. It sounds more like a shanty. But I don't know if it's like a proper sea shanty, if it's just an Irish song. I'm with you, Bubba.
Go all the way on that. Holy shit.
Did you see Joe?
This mega, like, yeah, gym jug cycle.
I think it's nice to me.
This route's also pretty good.
Yeah, I love that one. It's so fun. No, it's a lot of fun.
Ooh.
Fuck, I did it wrong.
No, that's that move at the end. It's hard.
2 micro crimps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, I just did a flag. I'm like a slopey foot.
You can take, Joel.
Yep.
Coming from the west. Stay here.
Are you filming it?
You want this? Okay.
Did you find them? I mean, you have the mustache, just put them in the dog.
I will.
Is anybody climbing this? Oh, Matt. My bad. All right, Matt, take.
So you came from here, shot up to this thing, yeah? This big chonky.
No, I didn't use that. I went straight up there.
From this?
No. Lower me a little bit. I stood on this.
Uh-huh.
From that to that, and I just...
Oh, you came out here?
Yeah, I did like a flag like that.
I did not touch that. I came up to this.
Yeah, that's one way of doing it.